So are there any certifications or classes, prenatal classes that you recommend parents, caregivers take while they're getting ready for becoming parents or are new parents?
Yeah, so the hospitals that you're birthing your child at generally offer, infant classes and teach you how to change a diaper, how to swaddle a baby, how to breastfeed, how to bottle feed. But I think one of the more powerful classes that we can all take when you have children in your life, whether they're your own or somebody else's, is actually a CPR class. Take an infant CPR
Yeah.
class. It is offered free in LaPorte County for our families. And even if you only know how to do hands only CPR, you can really make a difference and give yourself so much more confidence in your parenting and confidence in the people around you. So
Definitely.
So I 100% agree with Dr. Glos. Learning how to actually do CPR is key, and there's many free resources available. Actually, there's going to be a website that is going to be shared where parents can actually get this type of trainings for free. But it's very important. Many times we face situations where the baby is learning how to eat certain foods, and
Yes.
then they are choking and we don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Those few seconds that can mean death of life for a child. So if we know how to get things started, like we can save a life. So I think that learning this type of trainings is very, very important.
The CPR classes also offer you education on what to look for. Sometimes parents don't know the signs of distress
Yeah.
or, if this is like something really bad, and having just that extra bit of education will let you know something has to be done immediately, or calling 911 or actually performing CPR, but you have another layer of education there.
And as was mentioned, when you're teaching a baby how to eat solid foods, and some of the gagging and choking is to be expected, but when do you intervene? What do you do? And just having that confidence as a parent is so important.
And I have heard from some parents, oh, dad did CPR because I don't think I'd ever be able to do it to my own kids. I will tell you, as somebody who's been in that position of having to do infant CPR in a not medical setting, flip switches in you. Like you will be able to do CPR. You absolutely will.